Do you have casters on the bottom of your office chair and it kind of does its own thing when you try to roll it around and you're fighting with it, trying to make it go? Well, I've got a problem. Well, I got something right here that I hope is going to remedy that problem. These are 3-inch casters, guys. They should be the standard fit. That's like rollerblade wheels. Nice, smooth roll to it. Feels really good. It's soft. Shouldn't hit these bumps hard. Should do really well. Almost feel like polyurethane wheels. Well, I looked, and it doesn't really say what they're made out of, but, you know, as an old skateboarder, I would say those are polyurethane, but I couldn't swear to that. Anyway, these are made for tile, laminate flooring, carpet, and the wood flooring. This is your standard size here that I hope will fit in there. Let's get them on there and see how well they work. I'm going to get these others off real quick, and I'll check back with you in a moment. How do you get wheels out of there? I just broke that one. Maybe a screwdriver. Getting them out might be the chore. I was hoping it would come out. It looks like that is the same size, though. We should be in good shape. Yeah, getting that back in there is easy. Yep, those fit perfect. It's a job getting the old ones out, though. That's a fact. There might be an easier way to do this, but I don't know of it. There's a difference between those. A lot of difference. So this probably set up a little taller now, but since they have adjustments on them, ain't a big deal. And no, you shouldn't use channel locks for a hammer, but I use what I got. Mainly what I got handy. There we go. All right, let's see how it does now. Oh man, look at that. Now we're talking. Oh yeah. Woo, I'll be running races now. Woo, whoa baby. Woo-hoo. I won't be running races, I don't guess, but I'd be riding in some races. Man, I tell you what, this will roll everywhere now. Definitely a lot nicer than what I had. That is a fact. It's definitely a thumbs up for these casters. I like them. If you want to get yourself some of these, I'll put a link down in the description where you can order your very own, and you can roll around as easy as I can. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching. I wonder if I can roll all the way back to the camera. Whoa, 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 crash.